In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable order notifications in Shopify. Ensuring you're promptly notified about new orders is crucial for managing your online store effectively. Whether you're fulfilling orders yourself or coordinating with a team, these notifications keep you informed and help you maintain exceptional customer service. So, let's dive in and set this up together. First, you'll need to head over to your Shopify account by logging into your admin panel. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is essentially the command center for your store. It's here where you can access all the features and settings you need to run your online business. Next, direct your attention to the lower left side of the screen, where you will see the Settings tab. Clicking on it will reveal a variety of options related to how your store operates. Think of this area as the engine room of your shop, where you can adjust various operational functions to suit your business needs. This is where you can customize everything to enhance the experience both for you and your customers. Once you've clicked Settings, you'll want to look for the Notifications option. It's easy to find in this menu full of important tools and settings. Selecting Notifications will take you to a new page specifically designed to help you manage how you receive alerts about different activities in your store. On the Notifications page, you'll be presented with several types of notifications that Shopify offers. What we're interested in today are the Order Notifications. Scroll through these options until you find it. This feature will ensure that you're informed as soon as a new order comes in, allowing for timely processing and customer satisfaction. Before you proceed, take a moment to review your current notification settings. You can customize who receives these notifications, whether it's just you or multiple team members. This flexibility is ideal if you have a team that deals with different parts of the order fulfillment process. Once you're satisfied with whom these notifications should be sent to, make sure you've entered the correct email address or contact method. Accuracy here is vital to ensure that your notifications don't go astray. Finally, once you've got everything set just the way you want it, make sure to save your changes. It's this final step that ensures your preferences are stored and active. Anytime a new order is placed, you'll now receive the notifications according to the settings you've specified. And there you have it. You're now all set to receive order notifications in Shopify, keeping you plugged in and ensuring that you never miss an important update regarding your store. Thank you for following along. Remember, effective store management is all about staying informed, and setting up these notifications is a significant step toward achieving that. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the Shopify Help Center or reach out for support. Happy selling!